While your country was developing such advanced machines, our country, Vietnam, was struggling with war, dreaming of having enough to eat. This stark contrast highlights the pain caused by war and the value of peace that came later. The B-52D participated in the 1972 Linebacker II campaign, carpet bombing Hanoi during the year's final days. On December 27, the skies over Hanoi lit up with missile streaks as the 72nd Missile Battalion, 285th Regiment, shot down one of the B-52Ds in the Huu Tiep Lake area, Ngoc Ha Ward, Ba Dinh District. It wasn't just a major battle, but proof that even the most advanced machines aren't invincible. Today, the engine from this plane is preserved at the Vietnam Military History Museum, while other wreckage remains at the bottom of Huu Tiep Lake. Examining the engine closely, you can see twisted, deformed parts from the explosion and decades of corrosion. Broken blades and rusty marks tell a tragic story of a fierce confrontation. It's a story of lost, broken families on both sides. Vietnamese civilians suffered from bombings, and many American soldiers never returned. That engine, no longer a part of a war machine, rests peacefully in the museum. Its destructive power is gone, now serving as a reminder of war's heavy toll. The scars on the engine's surface reflect the destruction it once caused, but also serve as a call for peace and the importance of cherishing life. Let's ensure no one has to live through war again as Vietnam once did. Make sure to follow me